Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're very welcome. I am Elaine. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own brand labels. It's very easy to make. You will need few things. You would need a laptop, transfer paper, and a printer. So without wasting time, let's get into it. I have already designed my logo and saved it on my desktop. So I went there, copied it, and I opened Microsoft Word, pasted it on Microsoft Word, and I continued to paste it on the page until it's all filled up. As you can see, the page is full, and I went ahead to space them. So the next thing to do now is to flick them horizontal. In order for me to flip them horizontal, I went ahead to right click on the logo, and as you can see on the screen, a box comes out and you see flip horizontal. Click on horizontal and it flips to the other side. It's important to flip them to the other side in order for you to print them, because you would want them to be facing the other side before you print them out. I tried flipping them all at once, but for some reason my laptop would not let me do them, so I went ahead to do them one at a time. But if you can, it's better to flip them all at once. It saves time. It's all flipped. I then went ahead to use my light fabric transfer paper. It comes with 10 papers. Read the instructions at the back. So the next step, you will need cotton material. Anything cotton, it can be your old t-shirt, light, it has to be light. Read the instruction at the back, it tells you what to do next. So then I went ahead and I put what I just printed out, put it facing down the shirt, and make sure you cover it with another light t-shirt or fabric, whatever you have. And then I went ahead to iron it. I used high heat and I ironed for 10 minutes or so. You want to make sure as you iron, you put a lot of pressure on your ironing in order for the paper to stick to your shirt. So after ironing, leave it to cool down for a few minutes. I did not iron the corners properly. I went ahead and I ironed it again. So you need to make sure it's ironed thoroughly in order for the paper to stick on your fabric, to stick on your cotton shirt. So I went ahead to cut them to the sizes I want. Okay guys, that is it. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, comment and share. Thanks as always guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.